Welcome to part 2 of our video lesson in computer network. Today we are going to study about structure of a network. Now when I say structure of a network, just think about mobile phone for time being. Now network consists of a sender. It is a device or a computer that sends the data like text or calling your friend. Receiver, a device or a computer that receives the data. Say when you're texting your friend, you are sending a text and your friend will receive, that is send and receive. Message, it is the information to be communicated. It may be a text, audio or video. Next is transmission medium. Now when I say about a transmission medium, now in your mobile phone when you communicate, it is a wireless communication, so the medium of transmission is wireless. So it is a physical path through which data flows from sender to receiver. So when you're calling your friend, how it is going? Through wireless medium, or you can say radio waves. Next is protocol. It is nothing but a set of rules that governs the data transmission. It represents the communication methods which are to be followed by sending and receiving devices. Now what does it mean? Protocol is nothing but the rules that we need to follow while sending a message. That is nothing but a protocol. Say for example, in a traffic, what the traffic police do? It regulates the rule, right? So this is about structure of a network. So in this picture you can see three computers which are connected to a printer via wired cable. Like I said, network consists of a sender, receiver, transmission medium and a set of protocols. Now in this picture you can see three computers that are sending to the printer. Now printer is the receiver. Now the output we are getting is a printed document. So how we are getting? Computer is connected to a printer via wired cable, which is a transmission medium. Now through certain set of protocols it is being communicated and the printer prints the document. Next is types of a network. Now a network may be in a small area like in school or room, or in a city, country, or across the continents or around the world. For example, in our practical room we have computers. That is nothing but a small network. You're browsing a social networking website like Instagram, Facebook, and communicating with different countries around the world. That is nothing but a huge network. So there are different types of network we'll see. So on the basis of geographical spread, network are classified as PAN, or we call it personal area network. Number 2, LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. What is personal area network? The network that belongs to a single person or user is known as a personal area network. Now PANs are, or personal area network, are small network used to establish a communication between a computer and other handheld device. Now the range of this network is approximately around 10 meters. Now the connection can be done using wired USB connectivity or wireless Bluetooth or infrared. Connection of wireless keyboard and mouse to a laptop or a computer is a good example of PAN. Now since computer you're using personally, which is having inbuilt keyboard and a mouse, that is example of personal area network. You're watching a TV. Now TV comes with remote. Now this remote works as a personal area network. Now because of this network we can change channel, we can increase the volume. That is nothing but a personal area network. This is the picture of a personal area network. If your phone or laptop is connected to a Bluetooth headphone, that is nothing but a network connection of personal area network. Your computer connected to a printer, you print a document, that is also a personal area network. Your remote connected to a TV, nothing but a personal area network. So these are all the examples of personal area network. Next is local area network. Now, local area network is a privately owned computer network covering a small geographical area like home, office or school. Now, in any office or school, if you see a network connection, that is nothing but a local area network. Say for example, in a computer practical, our computers are connected with cables that are nothing but a local area network. Now the distance or the range of local area network is around 10 kilometers. LAN or local area network can be set up using wired media or wireless media. Now in our practical classroom you can see all the computers are connected through wire, that is nothing but wired media. So in our practical classroom we use wired media for connection of LAN. Now the key purpose of LAN or local area network is to share resource. Now in this figure you can see 5 people which are having computer which is connected to internet, which in turn is all connected to a printer. Now normally this process or this working happens in a small area. It may be in the office or in a room. So this is the best example of local area network. Metropolitan area network. Unlike LAN, which covers distance in the range of 10 kilometers, it can cover more than 10 kilometers in MAN or metropolitan area network. So it can cover a city and its surrounding areas. Just think about it, it's a huge. So MAN usually interconnects a number of LANs and individual computers. It also shares resources among users. Now this network is typically owned by government body or large corporation. For example, a cable television network. Now in cable television network, they use a wired cable as a transmission medium through which we can access the channel. So this is the example of metropolitan area network. Now in this figure you can see local area network is interconnected to each other, which interconnects to make up a metropolitan area network. So this is nothing but a metropolitan area network. Wide area network. Now wide area network is a telecommunication network. Now it spreads over a large geographical area. When it's used to interconnect several other types of network like LAN, MAN, etc. It gives an efficient exchange of information at high speed and low cost. Now the speed of internet here in wide area network is fast. Now wide area network can cover distance with a radius of hundreds of kilometers. So in general it can cover the whole earth. Example, internet. You're browsing a website, you're browsing Facebook, Google. What are the network you're using? Wide area network. You're taking out money from the ATM. The network you're using is wide area network. Banks, which spreads over a country or continent. These are the examples of wide area network. Now in this figure you can see a person staying in London, America and India are interconnected with a network. Now that network is wide area network. Say for example you're using Facebook or WhatsApp. You can send a text message to a person staying in London or America. Why? That's because of wide area network. So this wide area network plays an important role in our daily life.